I'm Little Red Riding Hood.
I want to have
I'm gonna walk through the woods. Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm the big bad wolf.
Oh, you're the big bad wolf. Where's Grandma's house?
Well, it's over. Well, it's over here. This is Grandma's house.
Okay, I'm gonna go over the river and through the woods to Grandmother's house. I'm at Grandma's house now. Hi, Grandma. What big ears you have?
I'm gonna. The better to hear you with my ear,
What big nose you have?
the better to smell you with my ear.
What big arms you have?
The better to reach you with my dear.
What big teeth you have?
The better to eat you with my dear.
Eek, eek, eek. Help, help, help. Help, help, help. The wolf. The wolf. Grandma, Grandma. Save me from the wolf. And just then Grandma got up and said, "You big bad wolf, you leave Little Red Riding Hood alone." And the big bad wolf ran away.